We're going to do a cloud jumper.
Hi friends, we're going to do Cloudjumper today, our dragon series. So we're going to
From
start.
how to train a dragon.
Yes, from how to train a dragon. We're going to start with the top half of his head. So we're going to leave some space on top and then make two curves joining each other. And top half of your right hand side curve, we're going to go up and make a same shape on the other side as well, so they mirror each other. Then at the bottom half of that shape, we're going to make, now watch how I make this curve. It's going to be like a butterfly's wing on either side. Okay, now we are going to complete this shape. So we've started this curve that we went up, all the way up. Watch how I bring it back down. So make a curve, and now we're going to make a V-shape formation. So watch how that goes back out and then back in and then back out again, and then curve it back in. Same thing on the other side. We're going to go make the similar shape as this side. We're going to repeat it, curve it back in, make a V, curve it back out, then curve it back in, and then one more V. So finish this shape on either side. We're going to continue this, make a triangular shape. So make inverted V's. So watch how I make this one, a bigger V, inverted V. And now we're going to make a diamond shape. So I hope you know what a diamond shape looks like. So make a V first, upside down V again, and now complete the V, make a bigger V down. So that's your diamond shape for the nose. Now we have these 2 points of the diamond. We're going to finish joining this shape back in. So watch how I make this curve. So you go from this shape, you bend it like a C, and then take it all the way up and curve it. It's a slightly difficult curve, and then the same shape you follow on the other side and try to mirror that. So we're going to make inverted C or a semicircle. So watch how the eyes are, big loopy eyes on either side. We're going to make a curve underneath his eye for a wrinkle, and then inside the eye we're going to make the eyeball. So watch how I make the eyeball. Watch how the lines are made inside following the shape. Same thing on this side, following the shape we've done the eyeball. Now we're going to make a circle inside. So watch where I make the circle, a nice big circle inside the eyeball. So watch my curve, it goes like this back out, same like the wings, butterfly wings. And now we're going to make zigzag lines in over here. So watch how that comes, one zig inside on either side, and then repeat it again. We're going to do 3 times, 2 and 3, and stop, and then 2 and 3, and then stop. We're going to curve it in. So make a curve in on both sides, and now we're going to form the shape of its mouth. So watch how I make the mouth. So the mouth goes like a big wide U, inverted U. So watch how the face curve happens. It goes underneath with a big flat U. And we're going to make teeth, sharp teeth, one triangle and one small triangle, and then
One triangle.
one more triangle here, and then one close to the face. Now we're going to make the body. So watch how I make the body. We're going to go two curved lines,
Like all of the dragons.
and then we're going to just extend this a bit straighter downwards, and then we're going to start with an inside line. So follow this like a vase shape, and then follow this again and make the belly. And then we're going to make another U outside of the belly. And from these two short lines, we're going to complete the back. So watch how that curve goes around the line. We're going to finish with the legs. Again, outward facing curves. And then we're going to make 3 short curves, cloud curves, you can say. And then we're going to join it back to the body. We're going to draw the claws. So watch how I make the claws. They are triangles pointing outwards, outside the legs. Make sure you make zigzag lines. And now we're going to make its cute tail. So outside on the left hand side, we're going to make a curve that goes flat out sideways and then points back inwards towards the leg. And it has 2 bumps or scales on the tail closer to the body. And then we're going to take a curve on either side to make a winged tail. And then we're going to make a curve and a curve, and then we're going to go back curve and a curve, and then join those. Okay, good job. Awesome, good job. That looks cute. Now we're going to finish, because it's a dragon. What do you need for dragon?
Wings.
Wings, correct. So now this dragon is a tricky one. He has 2 wings on both sides each, so total 4 wings. So we're going to first make the bigger wing, the outer wing. So watch how that one is. It's a higher curve on both sides. And then make a small space spot or a small curve for its claw that comes out of, yep. And then make a triangle shape there for the,
Here.
yes, good job. And then complete it. So go downwards, make your curve downward. Now we're going to make the next one. So just follow this line and then go complete. So follow the shape and then complete it as a triangular shape. Okay. Then we're going to make the second set of wings. So watch how that one goes. Again, a curve following this shape inside, and then a small curve for the claw, and then again it coming outwards. Okay, good job. Same thing on the other side, we repeat a similar shape underneath. Make a curve, make the claw, and then we go downwards. So we've made 2 sets of wings on either side. Same thing, we will now follow up with the same line that follows it. Make a small line closer to the wing and follow the shape of the wing. Same thing on the other side, complete it. Now what we're going to do with the back wing is we're going to finish the webbed part of the wing. So watch how I curve it, and upside down U, and then upside down U. Good job. And now we're going to try and make parts of the wing. So watch how I'm making that. And now for the wings that we can fully see, we're going to make, watch how I make my curves for the web. So watch, 1, 2, 3 bumpty bump clouds. Okay, same thing, 1, 2 and 3 bumpty bump clouds, and then join them. So that gives you the shape of the wing. We're going to make the last addition. So watch this curve. Now between these two spots we've left some gap, and we're going to make another part of the frills that this dragon has. So curve it back in. Same thing on the other side. You go up and then curve it back in. Okay, so we finished drawing our fierce looking dragon.
Have a good day, friends. Come for an excellent row.